Here we will write a program to print simple number triangle in Python. So in comment line we will write, for example, at first row it will print 1, at second row it will print 2 times 2, at third row it will print 3 times 3, and so on. To print the triangle, we will first accept number of rows from user. So n equal to in input, enter number of rows to print, and we'll use for loop. So for I in range n, and inside this for loop we will use another nested for loop. So for j in range I, and here we'll print I. Since we want to print on same line, we will use end, and outside this nested for loop, to move to next line we will use print statement, and we will execute this. I will enter number of rows as 5. It will print the triangle as 1 2 2 3 3 3 and 4 4 4. It will print 1 less than this 5. To print exact 5 rows, we will use here n plus 1. And if we execute, and if I give 5, it will print triangle up to 5. That is 1 2 3 4 and 5.